Hey bitches, it's Flower. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm gonna be doing a first impressions of Mellow Cosmetics because they sent me some free makeup. So if you wanna see how I achieved this makeup look by using their products, then keep watching. Starting off this look with concealer and powder already on, I'm gonna be first showing you guys these 3 lip products that were sent to me. This is a lip liner in the color Ruby. This is a matte lipstick in the color Milan. And this is the last matte lipstick that I got in the color Paris, which is the one that I'm gonna be using in this video. I'm actually so impressed with these lipsticks. This color is absolutely gorgeous and it applied on so smoothly and then dried matte. I just love it. It's this gorgeous red. It doesn't feel like cakey on your lips because usually matte lipsticks make it feel like you have like kind of like a lot on your lips, but this actually feels like nothing basically. The next thing I'm gonna be showing you guys is this Stardust Glow Palette. This is what it looks like when I open it. As you can see, it comes with 2 highlighters. These are the 2 highlighters that it comes with, a bronzer and a blush. I'm so excited to try this out because I already know I'm gonna be obsessed with that blush. Just look at that color. I'm first gonna be using the bronzer. I'm actually so shocked about the bronzer. I thought that it was gonna be too light for my skin tone, even though the palette I did get was from medium to dark. It looked like it would match my skin tone, but it actually doesn't. It is darker than my skin tone, so it works perfectly as a bronzer. Now I'm gonna be going into the blush. Okay, now I am really in love. This blush is so gorgeous and it looks so nice on my skin tone. I'm gonna be going into the highlight. Look at this glow. I'm so impressed with Mellow Cosmetics. And I'm literally not just saying this just because I got this stuff for free. I wouldn't recommend you guys products that I don't actually like and don't actually fuck with. And you guys can see just by looking at me, like, these products are bomb. I can't believe how amazing these products are. Like, I've only tried 2 of the products that I've been sent and I'm already so obsessed with them. I'm definitely gonna be adding them into my makeup collection. Definitely gonna be using this palette all the time. The last things that I got are these 2 eyeshadow palettes. This palette is called Treasure Test, and this is what it looks like on the inside. This palette is called Sinopia. This is what it looks like on the inside. Out of both of the palettes, the shades in Sinopia are my favorite, so I'm gonna be using that palette for this look. For my crease, I went into the shade called Sinopia, that's right here. For my lid, I'm gonna be going into the shade that's next to Sinopia, which is Cinnamon. Going back into Sinopia, I'm gonna be running that across my waterline. I'm actually so blown away at the quality of these products. Like, this eyeshadow just applied on so smoothly. There's no fallout. Do you see how pigmented this color is on my lid? I'm so happy that I got sent these products. I'm genuinely so happy that I have these products now in my makeup collection because I'm so in love. This is affordable makeup that's good quality that I so recommend, and I'm so happy to be working with this brand. I just want to say a thank you to Mellow Cosmetics for sending me this amazing makeup. If you're wondering what my first impressions are of Mellow Cosmetics, I'm definitely saying that you should go check them out. Go check out what makeup products they have. They have so many more than just these, and these came out bomb as fuck, so you already know they have other stuff that are gonna be bomb as fuck. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you like this video. Comment if you want to, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
They ask me how I'm feeling, my nigga, I'm feeling lovely. It must be. Everywhere I go, they wanna fuck me. Must be. Oh, my nigga, who got the must?